Welcome, I'm not a happy coincidence, and today we're gonna play Risk of Rain. This game is one of my favorite games in all time. So the main objective of the game it's to get as far as you can, so you can unlock new things and get better stuff as you go on and on and on. That's called being roguelike. The game it's a platform with roguelike elements. So it's a very hard game. It's very brutal. If I die a lot, please excuse me. It's just that I'm not that good. So let's play. So I have almost everything right now, but normally you start only with the commando. So I'm gonna start with the commando with no extra things, just to so you could see how you start the game from the very beginning, and with how you play, you get more of the characters. So let's start. If there is too much dying, I'm gonna cut the part that I'm not going to talk in, because it's going to get boring from me dying a lot. So I love this game because it's so simple in its graphics. It's so simple in its graphics, yet it's it like helps me imagine things, helps me lets my imagination make most of what's in front of me, and make the game more enjoyable, because I have to concentrate on the gameplay and not the graphics. The graphics just let me imagine things. Let's my imagination make most of the things that I'm seeing. Obviously I already know a lot of the game, so most of the things I understand, but the main objective is to go along killing enemies in large quantities. And if you can see on the upper right corner of the screen, you can see like a meter and my timer. The time makes the game harder. I'm at very easy right now, but at 5 minutes it's going to get harder, and after that, at a certain time, it's going to get even harder, and so on. At some point I'm gonna die because I'm not very good with the commando, but I'm gonna do my very best to stay alive. So what you have to do is dominate the abilities of the character you're playing with, so you can collect money from the enemies, and buy the chest that are around the areas you are. So the intro scene explains this game has no story, by the way. It's actually just this. The intro scene is the only story you're gonna get. It's just you going along the planet that you're stuck in and trying to survive. That's the complete story of the game. But as it goes on and you go even further into the game, you can understand a little more. But obviously most of the game isn't in playing the game. It's more outside the game. You get like monster logs, are like information on the monsters, and the story actually is told by those little logs. So you get all the logs, you get all the story. Well, most of the story, obviously. It's not all the story. So I'm gonna die because I'm not really good at using this guy. It's not my favorite. It's not actually even the one I use. You have to use it a lot in the beginning because it's the only one you have. But I'm still pretty bad with him. I hate it so much. So okay, so you're limited to 4, as you can see down here in the center. You're limited to 4 abilities. Each ability has a cooldown. Some abilities, like your main attack, which is this, for this guy, can be used constantly, but like the strong shot has a 3-second cooldown, and the evade has 4-second cooldown, and the what's this, rapid fire, I think, has 4 or 5-second cooldown. So you have to manage your abilities. If you use all your abilities when you're in danger, you could die. So I'm not gonna try to survive a lot with this, because at some point I'm going to die really badly, because as I said, I'm not good with the commando. I don't have ability with this guy. It's really not my... Oh shit. Oh damn. Oh shit. No. Damn it. Okay, so it's going to... you can see the little... Oh what the fuck? Oh damn it. Whatever. So as you can see, the meter on the left upper corner of the screen is filling up and now says easy instead of very easy. That's because it has already been 6 minutes. So as time goes on... What the fuck? Ah damn it. Whatever. So this is why it's so hard, because actually I'm not even on the... Because there's like there's 2 types of difficulty: the general difficulty and the time difficulty. The general difficulty is how hard the enemies are going to be, and so the time difficulty ups the general difficulty to a certain limit. What the fuck is happening? Oh my god! Oh no, I can't go there. I'm fucked. Oh shit. Oh damn it. Oh no. So I'm going to die because I think there's a bug or something. I can't go further, so I'm really stuck here. So I'm like fucked. Really fucked right now. So I'm gonna die. Sorry. I'm dead. Yay. Whatever. So let's use another character, a character that I actually use, which is the loader. This guy is purely physical. He has no he has one long range attack, but that's it. So he's very physical. But I'm better with this guy than with the commando. So let's try to get farther into the game, and I don't know if it's gonna work. Okay, so I like this guy because he has these punches. Then he has this, which is like a grappling hook. If I see, I'll let you see what it does. Look, this is what it does. So if there's an enemy or a wall nearby, and the fist gets to it, I am instantaneously pull into the wall. Look, this is what, like that. So I also have like an invincibility shield, but that's it only lasts like 2 seconds, something like that. So let's try to get farther in this time. So the main quest in each level is to get to, as you can see, there's find the teleporter. So I have to find a teleporter and activate it. But the thing when you activate the teleporter is that it like lures in a lot of enemies. So you have to defend yourself until the teleporter is actually active. And when it activates, you can go on to the next level if you killed every enemy that's on the stage. If you don't, you have to kill them all to move further on. So there's the teleporter. I'm going to die right now because I'm not upgraded on anything. So let's see how far. So every time you activate a teleporter, a boss, as you can see, a boss appears. And I'm going to die because I'm really bad. No! Fuck you! I'm not going to die. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Oh shit. Damn it. No! Fuck. Oh, fuck. Okay, whatever. Fuck you, fuck you! No! I'm not going to die right now! No, no, no! Fuck you, fuck you! So as you can see, I'm having a hard time to kill the boss with no upgrades. Fuck. Damn it! Fuck you! Okay, so I'm going to start again. So there's the thing. If I try to go and face the boss right away, I'm going to get wrecked because I don't have enough upgrades to kill the boss. If I don't get enough upgrades, it's too hard for me to kill the boss. I have to like run and try to hide if I'm so low on upgrades. So the upgrades are little things that are going to appear on both sides of my life. Like little items that appear, and with each item I get a little buff. Obviously, if I get 2 of the same item, it sucks. Obviously, there are like, well, I don't know if I can call that, but there's like better items that some items are better than others, but most of them are useful. Some I don't actually found something actually worthwhile of them, but most of the items are good. So this is the thing with this game. So you have to kill enemies to get money. so you can have upgrades to beat the boss on that level. But the thing with killing enemies is that it takes time. With each minute you waste on killing enemies, it gets harder. So there it's like a loophole. If I'm not fast enough killing enemies and getting upgrades before it gets harder and harder and harder, I have less chances of killing the boss because it's already harder because of the time. So I have to do everything really fast and really efficient if I try to kill the boss, because if I take too much time, what is going to happen is that the boss, even if I got a lot of great upgrades, it's going to get really hard, and it's going to get to the point I can't kill the boss. That's the hard thing about the game. I have to do things with efficiency, so I can't take too much time and I can't take too much damage, because then I will die, or the game will begin to be too hard for me to actually end the level. So it's like the game fucks you over. That's the thing about it. It just fucks you over. So if you don't know how to play, it gets harder. It gets harder every time until you die. You start over and you get fucked over again, and that's how you learn. So I'm making progress, but I'm taking too much time. When I get to 5 minutes, it's going to get even harder. When I get to like 10 minutes, it gets to medium. Then 15 minutes, it gets to hard, I think. Then very hard. Then impossible. Then I'm coming for you. Then ha 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 ha. Then I see you. The difficulties after impossible are really strange. It's like someone is watching you, looking through your window and trying to kick you, something like that. So let's see. If I die this time, I'm gonna stop here, because it actually takes a lot of time to get really far on the game, because I think the last time I beat the game, it was like an hour and 10 minutes, an hour and 12 minutes. So if I make another video on this game, I'm going to make highlights of Risk of Rain, because leaving the whole hour of footage is like a lot of time. So after I die this round, or if it gets too long, I'm going to cut it here and make another episode, because it's a lot of time making one episode only. Okay. So here's the other thing. You have chests that give you a thing every time you buy them, but here's the shrine that if you give money to, can give you something, but also can give you nothing. That's the gamble. Can give you something really good, or give you absolutely nothing. Insane. So you could actually be making an investment, or actually losing a lot of money. So it actually took me a lot of time to get this game. I was playing like for 3 days straight before I actually got to know how to play. It takes a lot of learning and knowing what to take, what to not take, how to deal with some enemies, what can some enemies do and can't do. One thing that is really useful in the game is to have movement upgrades, because if you run faster, you can get faster to shit, it's already 6 minutes. Oh damn, it's gonna get fucking hard after this. Oh no, I have to go. Shit. Okay, so so here's the thing. All the enemies have like a stronger version of them. It's called an elite version. So there's normal enemies that are just like that, a common enemy, just like this one. But then the elite ones are the ones that are like different color. Like that's a stone golem, but there's stone golems that are like that are green or blue or something like that, and those are stronger because they have like more armor. See, those yellow ones are elite Lemurians. Those things that I just killed are Lemurians. And no, I don't know why it's called Lemurian, so don't ask. So let's go. I'm gonna start this battle. I hope I don't die. Oh yeah, so the boss is not preset. The boss can be completely random. I got really bad luck, but the boss can be completely random. It can be the magma worm. It can be a lot of other things. Depends on the difficulty and depends on the stage. Fuck, I'm gonna die. Oh damn. Yes! Fuck you, magma worm! Oh yeah, bitch. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's go. So when you activate the teleporter, you have to survive 90 seconds. Obviously, when the 90 seconds are up, you have to kill everything on the screen. If you kill everything, the teleporter activates and you go on to the next stage. Damn it! No! I don't want to die! Fuck you! No! Oh shit. No! Fuck you! Okay. Yay, I'm not dead! Oh shit. Okay, so you see there's the enemy remaining, so I have to kill every enemy that's on the stage, and when I do that, I can go into the next stage. Calm down, bitch! Ah. Damn it! It's taking more time! I'm going to die! I don't want to die! Oh my god. Okay. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Yeah. Let's go, bitch. Okay. So let's go. So now that I have a lot of upgrades, and that's the thing, if you get a lot of upgrades in first, then you can go directly to the next boss. Obviously it's going to get really hard. If I don't survive this, well, there's that. I'm going to die, that's all. Okay, so Where's the teleporter? Oh shit, why is it there? Fuck you. Okay. Another magma worm! Fuck you, magma worm! Oh shit. No, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Yes! Oh no. Fuck you. No! Damn it. No, I don't want to die. Fuck you. No! Shit. Okay. So I'm going to leave it here. Check back next time on Not a Happy Coincidence and Risk of Rain. See ya!